Hello friends, welcome back to our class today. If we look at this question that says log y base 10 plus 3 log x base 10 equals to, we are asked to express y in terms of x. When you are asked this kind of question, express a certain variable in terms of another, the y is meant to be the subject of the formula while the other part of the equation contains x. That is the meaning of expressing y in terms of x. So let's see what is going to happen here. So before you can solve this, you need to know the laws of logarithm. There is a law of logarithm that says that log a raised to power b is b log a. That is, this power can be brought behind here. So if there is a number behind the logarithm, it can be made the power. Just as you have 3 log x base 10 here. So this thing can be written as, first of all, solution. I would not rewrite the question because you can still see it. This can be written as log y base 10 plus, instead of 3 log x base 10, you have log x raised to power 3 base 10, following this law. So having that is equal to 2. Okay? Now, if we put these two things together, we are going to have the sum of the logarithm of two separate numbers is equal to the logarithm of their product. What I mean is that when you have log a plus log b, this is the log of this a, this separate number a and b. If you put the two numbers together, you can take the logarithm of the two of them, and therefore it becomes a product. So if it is sum, it becomes a product. But when you have log a minus log b, it's going to give us log, putting them together is going to be a over b. So following that law, since this is a summation, we are going to find the product, giving them a single logarithm. So this is going to be the log of yx raised to power 3 base 10 is equal to 2. So I can decide to follow different laws here, okay? Because I know, I can actually say, because I know there is a law that says log a base b equals to n simply implies that a is equal to b raised to power n. So if logarithm of a number to a certain base is equal to a certain other number, that the base raised to power that result is equal to that number, that is b raised to power n equal to a. So if you follow that, 10 raised to power 2 is equal to this. Okay, we can also change this 2 to have logarithm in base 10, where 2 is log 100 base 10. Okay, 2 is log 100 base 10. So I can change this 2 to log 100 base 10 so that I can remove the logarithm. Whichever way you choose will give you the same answer. So if I follow this first pattern, I'm going to have yx raised to power 3 to be equal to 10 raised to power 2. And I am asked to express y in terms of x. So make y the subject of the formula. As simple as that. What do? We divide both sides of the equation by x raised to power 3 so that y can be alone. X raised to power 3 will cancel x raised to power 3. And this is what we have as our y is equal to 10 raised to power 2 over x raised to power 3. Okay, we can further say that y is equal to, you can further say that y is equal to 100, because 10 raised to power 2 is 100 over x raised to power 3. And we have expressed y in terms of x. See you in our next class.